Award, which is the OPPI Excellence in Innovation Award for Healthcare Startup of the Year. We take this opportunity to thank Bayer Pharmaceuticals for sponsoring this award and also thank the validator and jury panel for their valuable time. The jury on this award is Ms. Meena Ganesh, Dr. Karthikeyan Ponagalagu, Mr. Manoj Saxena, and validator was Professor Sarang Dio. Can we all give them a big round of applause, please? And from Biopharmaceuticals, I'd like to invite Ms. Shweta Rai to join us on stage to give away this award. A very warm welcome. And may I request Mr. Singh to kindly announce the winner's name.
The winner of OPPI Excellence in Innovation Award for Healthcare Startup of the year 2023 is HealthPlix Technologies Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for HealthPlix Technologies Private Limited. We have Sandeep Gunibanda, co-founder and CEO of HealthPlix Technologies Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the winner of OPPI Excellence in Innovation for Healthcare Startup of the Year. It's HealthPlix taking away the award. Many congratulations. We'd love to hear a few words.
Thanks OPPI, thanks everybody here, truly honored, humbled to be receiving this. I receive this on behalf of about 500 odd Plixians. Every day they do so much for doctors, right? So without them this wouldn't be possible at all. We're one of those firms which spends about 80% of our time and effort and energy and money on doctors, but 100% of our revenue comes from pharmaceutical industry. Right? This is something that you guys understand. Anything to do in healthcare has to be driven through doctors, but unfortunately that's not where the revenue making will happen. So we'll have to figure out different ways of doing it. So just so that you guys know what we do, I heard Monica, Meenakshi, Maru, even Professor Gupta talking about the importance of electronic medical records, predictive diagnostics, longitudinal journey of patients, etc., right? So we're one such firm. We've been doing this for 7 years. We are country's largest, electronic medical record provider. Roughly around 3 crore unique patients. Their health records are there on HealthPlix. All this happens because around 12,500 doctors on a daily basis, which is 3% of the market, use HealthPlix to treat their patients. So what do we do for them? It's not just EMR. It starts from as simple as helping them with drug-to-drug interaction right then when the patient is there with the doctor, to providing him a graphical longitudinal picture of what the outcomes like, what treatment worked for who, etc., to even go to an extent saying this patient is 80% risk for a liver disease, right? So everything is based on guidelines, more importantly based on Indian patient data, AIML algorithms that we've built out. That's why doctors love us. Of course, we love them, they love us back. Given all that, I think pharma appreciates us as well, so we do a couple of products for them too. We truly want to sort of optimize every dollar that pharma spends, because ultimately the cost, the burden is on the patients, right? So as long as we optimize that for pharma, our belief is that we've done the right thing for the patients, right? So that's what keeps us moving. So we do a real world evidence platform which is unheard of when we started off in India, right? Like what drugs work for what kind of patients. that is, the power of such information is there in pharma science sitting in the boardroom. So we truly love the product, pharma loves it as well. And we also sort of make it very, very efficient in terms of the marketing spend, right? Like, based on the doctor's specialty, based on the patient persona, disease, etc. That's when the advertisement can happen, right? It's like most intelligent MR is sitting right next to the doctor. So belief is, as long as we do the right thing for the doctors, as long as we make pharma more efficient and get that information which is out in terms of the outcomes back to pharma, right? The R&D can happen, which multiple of you spoke about the importance of R&D here. So we do our bit, right? And I believe today we are here receiving this award simply because I think the industry recognized the value that we've added. So thank you very much.
Thank you and many congratulations to HealthPlix.